Hello po sa lahat. So, sasagot lang po tayo sa katanungan ng isa nating masugid na follower. So, ito pong tanong niya ay tungkol sa toxic na babaeng boss or katrabaho. So, ano daw ang remedyo? So, meron pa siyang paunang statement dito pero hindi po galing sa akin sa kanya po galing. So, sabi po niya dito, women workers are becoming more toxic in offices as they are fond of bad-mouthing male co-employees. So, I am a security officer in a bank. Can I resign since I cannot bear anymore and receive a separation pay and file a case against her? So, eto kasi yung sitwasyon niya. So, i-translate na lang natin in Filipino para maintindihan po ng lahat. So, eto yung concern niya. Toxic daw yung kanyang babae ng boss. So, ngayon, siya isang security officer. So, pwede daw ba siyang mag-resign? Kasi hindi na niya makayanan ang kanyang sitwasyon. But still, meron pa rin siyang matatanggap na separation pay. And can he also file a case? Pwede ba siyang magkaso sa babaeng boss na to? So, sasagutin natin yan ng isa-isa. So, yung una pong tanong is that, can he resign? Pwede ba siyang mag-resign sa kanyang trabaho dahil hindi niya na makayanan ang ganoong sitwasyon na masama ang pananalita ng kanyang babaeng boss? So, ang sagot po natin dyan ay opo. So, you can resign. And at the same time, pwede kang tatanggap ng separation pay kasi ang inyong voluntary resignation constitute constructive illegal dismissal. Okay, so kailan ba nagkakaroon ng constructive illegal dismissal? So it occurs when an employer boss, so regardless po ng kanyang gender, so sa kasong ito, babae siya, creates an unbearable working condition. So syempre kayo, hindi nyo na makayanan yung kanyang pananalita in which you, the employee, ikaw, nag-guard, feels forced to resign. So wala kang nagawa kundi mag-resign sa iyong trabaho. So kung ang DOLE wherein you will file yung inyong kaso will decide in your favor, so kung pabor ang desisyon ng DOLE sa inyo, so that would treat that situation as a constructive illegal dismissal. So pwede po kayong makatanggap ng separation pay or possible you can be reinstated to your previous work. And of course, kung tingnan din nila kung you also deserve to receive yung unpaid wages. So I hope maliwanag po yan. Pangalawa pong tanong is that, can you file, pwede kang mag-file ng kaso sa inyong babaeng boss? So the answer is yes. Because she, your lady boss, may be liable for grave misconduct because of attitude problem. Kasi ang kanyang pag-uugali ay nakakasama sa kumpanya. So that would constitute a just cause for dismissal with no benefits. So ngayon, ang tanong ng karamihan, so may galit ba tayo sa lady boss? Meron ba tayong pinapanigan, which is yung security officer? Or pinapanigan ba natin ang ating management or yung owner or yung employer natin? The answer is no. Ang pinaparating lang ng kasong ito is that this ruling serves as strong reminder that all workers as right holders, kasi lahat, kung nagtatrabaho ka sa isang kumpanya, hindi dahil ikaw ay isang trabador lang yung tingin mo sa kumpanya na yun, but then again, we are all right holders. Meron kayong hinahawakang karapatan that you deserve to work, which include of course, yung you deserve to work in environment that is free from abuse, coercion, and any form of hostility. So, Attorney Kid Castro po, panatag ang loob ng taong may alam. Hanggang sa muli.